Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing in action. I'm not always that, consistent, but nonetheless, I try to bring a video whenever I can. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Tashonda, Renae, Melda 242, and Beverly Black. We are doing a 4-course meal for the 4th of July feast, and our theme is red, white, and blue. I was actually looking for some miniature decors like the flags and anything depicting the US color, and I didn't get any, so I came up with my own stuff where I shredded some of the tissue paper, and this is what I got. Yes, I have red, white, and blue, so we are going to get started. Let's get started, guys, with our oven-baked barbecue chicken. Alright, so first what we need is some ingredients into your bowl. We add salt, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning. Add all the seasons that you want into yours. It's alright, guys. You don't have to use the same seasonings that I'm using. And do check the description box below. You're going to have the names of these seasonings that I'm using. Once you gather your seasoning, you want to go ahead and just mix them up thoroughly, just like this. So what we're going to do is add our chicken legs here. I did wash these chicken legs with some lime, salt, some pepper, and of course some vinegar. Wash them thoroughly, and then I pat dry them. So what I'm going to do is raise the skin like this. As you can see, it's very clean. And I'm going to start placing my seasons there. And once I'm done seasoning the chicken, guys, I'm going to place them into a container, cover it, and place it into the refrigerator for about an hour or two, or even overnight will do. Alright, so we're talking about baking barbecue chicken. Yes, we're going to be baking it. It's going to be moist. It's going to be juicy. It's going to be smothered with my own homemade barbecue sauce. And then it's just good to be consumed immediately. So, are you really ready for this deliciousness, guys? Trust me. Just follow the process and you're going to tell me later. And for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming again. God bless you. Alright, so as you can see, I'm patting my seasonings into the chicken here. And you can also use the breast if you want, or any part of the chicken. So once I do this, just want to make sure all over is well coated. Squeeze that goodness up into the chicken, guys. So you can use boneless chicken also. I use the bone-in chicken. And as you can see, I did leave the skin on. That's alright. When you're eating, you just have to remove the skin if you do not feel like eating the skin. But for me, the skin helps to lock in the moisture. Place it into my bowl, pop the cover, and let it sit in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. While that is doing its thing, here I'm going to make my barbecue sauce. I add some ketchup into the pot, and we're going to be doing this over medium heat. Here I'm using some molasses. Use any type of molasses. I use some blackstrap that I had in my cupboard. I'm going to add some brown sugar into this. And at this time, if you want an extra flavor, you can add pineapple, whatever you want. I didn't use that. For a lot of heat, I like my barbecue to be spicy. So I added a lot of pepper flakes. I add some rosemary, smoked paprika. Here I'm also adding onion and garlic powder and seasoning it up well with a little touch of salt. Now you need to put any type of seasonings you want into yours. That's alright. Angostura bitters. Yes, guys, that's a must in my barbecue sauce. Let this come to a boil, and you want to boil it until it becomes thick, rich, and flavorful, guys. I'm telling you. And this type of barbecue sauce that I'm making can be used on just about any kind of meat. Chicken, you can even put it on your fish. All you have to do is just dream up, man. Just marinate, season with your good barbecue sauce and seasonings. Pop it into the oven and you get a moist, ridiculously delicious chicken. Look at this, guys. Look at how thick my barbecue sauce is. So I'm going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to go and start now with my chicken. So what I did first, guys, over my cast iron pot, I added a little bit of oil. And you can use any type of oil. I use olive oil. And let it get very hot. Once my pan gets very hot, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to place it into this cast iron skillet. Now once you place your chicken, do not remove it. Let it cook there for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes charred. Don't move it, guys. You don't have to get a pan with the grill marks. You can use just a flat cast iron pan. But this is the one that I have. So after 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to flip my chicken. All because I just want to see that extra charred on my chicken when I'm done. Because remember, I'm doing an oven baked barbecue chicken, alright? Let it go again for another 3 to 4 minutes. And after then, I'm going to remove it. And there you have it. My chicken is ready to bake. So I'm going to continue doing the other two. And repeat the same process. And cast iron carries a heat, guys, which is perfect for doing this. Good. So at this time, we're going to head over to our dish. And we're going to place our chicken up into here. Just like this, guys. Now what I'm going to do is to brush my chicken with the barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to cover it with a foil. And then place it into the oven to bake for about 25 minutes. And this sauce is ridiculously good, guys. It's very thick. It is tasty. Give it a try. Straight into the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm going to flip it over now. But before I do that, I'm going to just release some of its juice onto the chicken. And this is flavor, guys. Trust me, flavor. You need to give this recipe a try. It makes a quick weeknight dinner. Take the sauce, guys, and just pour it all over the chicken. Bringing back that little extra moist into there. At this time, what I'm going to do once I'm done, I'm not going to put the foil right over here any longer. I'm going to pop it into the oven just as it did for another 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you can see my chicken is done. I'm going to flip it over just like this. Look at this. You can tell that this chicken is cooked right through. Can't wait to just slaughter my chicken with my homemade barbecue sauce. Yes, guys, so here I'm going to baste it again. And did I mention that this sauce is sweet and ridiculously delicious? Yep, it is. So I'm going to flip it over again. I'm going to add some more barbecue sauce. That's it, guys. Our chicken is so done. It is sticky. It is just good. Believe you me. And all it needs is just a handful of simple ingredients. So whatever ingredients you have, just season your barbecue sauce. Fast and easy. Very delicious baked barbecue chicken legs. And here you have it, guys. It's so simple to make, perfect for your busy days. There you have it. Our oven baked barbecue chicken is ready for the 4th of July, guys. So I'm gonna put it onto my platter and then I'm gonna garnish it. So do enjoy the 4th of July, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Alright? And be sure to join me for many more simple, easy cooking methods. So in the kitchen with Lynn, welcome you to her channel with open arms, and let's enjoy the 4th of July feast. So go right ahead, guys. And it was nice to meet Beverly Black, Tashonda, Renae, and thank you so much, Rochelle, for inviting me into this 4th of July feast. I am so thankful for having this collaboration with you guys. And here you have it, guys. Look at this chicken. Succulent. Very tasty. All good. I couldn't resist this chicken. And this chicken did not last as long as a snow cone. Trust me on that. So once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you in my next video. And to my sister Melda, I haven't forgotten you. You know you're the bomb also. So what a good combination. Thank you once again, guys. And I will see you in my next video soon. Enjoy.